Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working with an Acer Chromebook C734. The full model will be below in the description. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access your bottom case screws. Okay, so there are 11 screws on our bottom case. We're going to remove all of them. Once all the screws are removed, we'll take a small flat pry tool. We'll put it in between our bottom case and the rest of our computer. Don't put it too far in, you could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go be very careful, but be firm. Go all the way across and pry it off. This one is actually coming up fairly easily. There we go. Just had to get it started. Once your bottom case is removed, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as the replacement parts for this specific model computer, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a collection of all those tools and supplies that you may need, as well as these replacement parts for this computer. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of your computer, and there are no screws holding it down, so it's very easy to unplug. It plugs into the motherboard right here. This battery has a model number AP18C8K. It's an 11.25 volt battery, 50.29 watt hour. I will have all that information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will also include a replacement in that link I told you about with all of the replacement parts for this model computer. So if your computer is like mine, there'll be a small plastic guard here. I'm just going to peel that up with my plastic pry tool. Carefully peel that back. That will leave this black fabric guard. So I'm just going to peel that up very carefully and put it off to the side so I can put it back later. And that's where my battery plugs in. Now this goes for any wires and cables in a computer. Try very hard not to pull on the wires themselves, just manipulate that plug. Wires can be damaged or they can come right out of the plug if you pull them too hard. So instead of pulling on the wires here, I'm going to put my fingernail or a pry tool on either side of that plug, and I should be able to get it out that way. So either side of the plug, pull down, and that's how you unplug your battery. And I guess the last thing I can mention about this kind of an operation, if you're in here because your laptop's not turning on, your battery could be bad, you may need to replace it. But keep in mind that normal laptops should still turn on and function with a bad battery as long as it's plugged into the charger. So if your computer's not turning on, there's probably something else wrong with it other than just a bad battery. I will have a video link above, also below in the description. It'll be a full tutorial video showing you how to troubleshoot a laptop that's not turning on and how to find the cause. So that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, make sure you check out the FAQs below in the description first. It can save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I do try to get to those at least a couple times a day. Also, please remember to like and share if this was helpful, if you think it can help someone else. And please subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer videos, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any future computer questions. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.